this is Ruby Armino and welcome to another video. Anyways, today I'm gonna be playing Creatures of Sonaria. It's this super OG game. Don't tell me why I have this. Anyways, I'm gonna switch. What should I do? Velprex. Create slot. Create slot. Claim. Anyways, let's edit this. Let's go primary coat. Let's go with green. Yup, that. Secondary coat. Let's go to ato dito sala. And then that. Wait a minute, I got to go mute. Yes, guys, I'm back. Anyways, let's do this. This. That should be good. Anyways, let's play. Since I'm new. Let me return to menu. I have to run.
Okay.
Let me return to menu. Thank God. Anyways, I'm gonna go to inventory, tokens, max growth token. Let's do Velprex. I applied that. And this guy should be 100 years old. Anyways, he's able to fly now. I'm still in Flower Cave, so I'm gonna find a place to hide. Isn't this creature majestic?
It's not charging.
It's not
Nagbayad na
charging.
sila?
Oh, a majestic kayong creature. Isn't it majestic? It's the scariest snake on earth. Nope.
It's
Oh my
not
god, oh my
charging.
god, oh my 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 god. Oh my god, 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 oh my god.
Naked, what should
I
I
have
do?
to hide, I have to hide, I have to hide. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Phew, thank god. I hid here.
What I'm gonna do now?
Yes?
Now it's not charging. What should I do?
Sir,
I don't know.
How to let it? How to open?
Wait for a minute and then
Okay, let's go.
anyways yours.
Ay, sir ko? Nakakita na yung cellphone. Kara, huwag butang kubilit, sir. Hindi mo. Pagpamay na yung pagkatago.
Place then cool down. Oh my god, it's acid rain. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, I have to go back in. I have to go back in. Phew. Anyways, well, at the end, I'm gonna tell you something that I don't really want you to decide, because kids today, they're just a little brain rot. Anyways, guys, I have to take shelter. Anyways, let's see. Oh my god, that's acid. Oh my god, that's so nice. See? Oh my god, that's so nice. Anyways, I don't see acid rain. Well, thank god. Now I can actually find something. G. Why did I have to pick up a chunk?
Put down.
I'm gonna find a place to store this.
At the top.
Yes, and then when it's acid rain, I don't have shelter, no. Let me store it right here.
Why don't you put it? You need more stamina.
Stamina.
I thought it was like, oh, I'm bad. I'm bad at reading. Oh, look at that food.
Hey bro. Hey bro. G.
Is it a creature?
If he attacks me, I'm gonna use my breath. Oh, you wanna do that? Got him.
You get food turning off my cocoa melon.
No, that's what you get for hitting me, bro.
You mean biting me to attacking me? This one more.
That's what,
Get your food.
bro. I guess I'm gonna.
Why don't you just throw it here?
Bro, it's so thin. I can't. I'm gonna drink some water. Oh, this is a nice place to set up. Oh, there. It's a thin hole. If he bites me, I'm gonna bite him back. I think he's a
Oh my god, he's biting you.
herbivore.
He's biting you.
If he bites me, I'm gonna bite him back.
Aso magkain na kuan
And
oy.
I'm
Oh, thank God he's not biting you. Just sleep.
Ginhawa.
Why
anyways.
don't you just go?
If you bite me, I'm actually gonna bite you back. Okay? 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 Now you just walk away. Huh? You just walk away.
He's
Walk
scared,
away.
bro.
Walk away.
He
Walk
is
away.
scared.
Walk away. Don't steal that spot. If you steal that, I'm gonna eat you.
Oh hell
You
nah.
know what? I'm just gonna eat you. I'm gonna set up. Is there a roof? Yep, there is.
Now sleep.
Oh my god, you bite me, you bite me, you bite me, you bite me, you bite me. Huh? That's what you get?
I already
That's what you
told
get.
you to not eat.
I ate him, so what? He attacked me first. Found camp.
Are you poisoned?
Yeah.
Why don't you eat? Why don't
Place then. Yes.
drink water to heal up?
Thank God I'm a herbivore. Oh my god, I'm stuck. Thank God I'm an omnivore. Oh, you want to fight again, huh? You want to fight again? Actions. Aggro emote. Okay, you wanna attack? See! Got him.
Scared.
That's what you get
Go swap mommy.
for trying to attack me.
Go swap. Oh hell nah, you're back, boy.
You're back? Huh? Oh, he's friendly.
Abandon eggs. Hatch.
E.
Hatch.
Yes.
Aww.
Oh my god, I turned into this. What?
Check the comments. It's not the comment.
Nah, bro, left.
A dot.
Where am I?
Is that the food you?
Play. G. Bro, I accidentally.
Turn yourself to that?
Yeah, bro. I accidentally did this. What a waste.
Now what you gonna do?
I'm gonna leave.
And you're back.
Oh, anyways, let me store that in. Anyways, let's play.
That's
This.
Chappy, you will return to the menu in 10 seconds.
Anyways, let me go back. This is actually, Nathan, did you know this is actually not a dragon?
Is it a snake with a head-shaped cobra?
No, it's a killer.
Oh hell no! Oh. Stamina.
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 Stamina. What are you?
Stamina. It's called
Stamina.
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 Bro, what?
Stamina.
Bro,
Stamina.
that was a person. Anyways, I'm gonna set camp here.
Nothing food, eat it, boy.
No.
I told you to eat.
I'm gonna place my den right
Blah blah blah
here.
blah.
I'm gonna place my den right here.
And sleep like a baby.
Build.
Bro.
Let me place it right over here. I need 3 moss.
By the way, guys, comment your username so this guy will add you.
creature. Oh, there you are, boy.
Also, can you make creatures your pet?
No,
Oh,
dead. You are poisoned.
Oh.
Shoot. What's happening? What's happening?
Kulang to, 100 ano to?
You attacking my territory? Kill confirmed. That's what you get, boy. G.
by the way, guys, this guy's username is named Lingoli2.
Named after the famous meme called Leng Goli 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 Vuja Lingango Ulingango Moyang Goli 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 Vuja Lingango Ulinango. No, thank you.
By the way, guys, this YouTuber always fart at school.
Nah, bro, I used the fart gun to fart at school.
He always ate toothpaste to fart.
You know what? I'm gonna abandon my territory. I'm gonna actions please then yes. Deleted your then actions that.
What is that?
A cave.
No, the graphics. What happened?
It switched season. So I'm gonna.
By the way, guys, if you know his name, comment.
Bro, I literally told you guys my name like when I started the video.
Oh,
Anyways, I ate that. Ooh, logs.
was eating log.
Bro, what? Anyways, I'm gonna place my den.
What did you just put your den in the water?
No, thank you.
Tell him, guys, if you know it's his.
I don't.
Katutulong ko po.
Anyways, I'm gonna wait for my den cooldown to stop and then B. Yes.
By the way, guys,
Yes.
you're asking who's talking right now.
This Nathan.
No, I'm not talking.
Yes, you
Axel is
are.
talking.
What?
I'm not talking.
Yes. Yes. Yes, girl.
By the way, guys, this friend of Alexis and me, his name is Axel. And he's
Oh my God.
stupid.
Oh my
No,
God.
Nathan.
Why can't I build a
By the
den?
way, guys, goodbye. We're gonna fight.
Anyways, I'm gonna go drink some water. I know who was proceed.
By the way, guys, if you want free gems at 99 na please add Alexis.
No, bro. I don't even have good. I don't even have.
By the way, guys, it's now 19 minutes of recording.
Bro, stop saying that.
Why?
I don't know. Anyways, I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm stuck in a tree. Look at this majestic creature.
It's like a cobra,
Look at his face.
shaped like a scorpion.
Look.
He's ugly. By the way, guys, comment
First time bro, nasibalag, wala ka
ugly if his creature is ugly. And
Comment majestic if my creature is majestic. Anyways, I'm gonna go find a creature to kill.
you better say ugly.
What happens if they don't say ugly, Nathan?
Get banned.
How can you ban them?
Sibalag,
Omnivore carcass.
Just joking, guys. I'm not
Ooh.
ugly.
No. Bro, I'm gonna attack him.
By the way, guys, do you want him to do a Kaz animation video? Say hi if you want him.
No, 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 no. We're not doing that again. If you say that, I'm...
Comment 6-7 to let him play Kaz animation.
If you guys comment 6-7 right now, I'm gonna throw you out the window of your own house.
Comment 6-7, guys. That's not gonna happen.
Oh yes, it will.
It's just his threatening.
Oh no, guys. No, no. Okay,
By the way, guys,
let's make a deal. Let's make a deal, guys. If you guys get me to 100 subs, I will make 30 Kyle's animations videos, and you know who's gonna be in it? You guys.
No. Say guys 6-7 to let him make 67 Kaz animation video.
Bill.
6-7.
Food storage.
6-7.
Anyways, what do I
6-7.
need? Should I do this?
No.
Let me deposit.
By the way,
Next.
guys, if
Next.
you're wondering how to be a content creator, ask this fat boy, bro.
Anyways, food storage.
We're laughing.
Mud pile large. 3 grassy bushes. I've seen a lot of mud piles, so I think it should be easy.
Guys,
No, not again.
if we get 67,000 we will.
I'm gonna play 6-7 simulator.
And if you get 67,000 subscribers, we're gonna do a Facebook
Yeah.
at January 1. By the way, guys, if we get 1 million subscribers,
You know what? I'm gonna switch my location.
guys, if we get 1 million likes, this guy named Alexis is gonna eat his. What you gonna eat? Ang pig.
Utan Palya. That's for spin poop.
Excuse me.
Guys, if you're wondering how to.
Anyways, I'm gonna
Guys.
switch my
Guys,
territory.
guys, if you're watching right now, you better hit that like button.
Or else Nathan will come to your house and
No,
kill your parents. That's what he's gonna say. That's definitely what you're gonna say, Nathan. Out of you,
Nope,
I could care
I'm not doing that. I'm doing
another
a
nonetheless.
scary video,
Ooh, this is it.
or we're gonna do a scary video content.
If we get 1 million likes, I'm gonna play Hello Neighbor Freddy Edition in real life. I'm not kidding.
That's a really scary game. We're not lying or kidding.
Yeah, it's really scary. Anyways,
You are a neighbor or you are a cat.
Anyways, I don't know what to do, so I'm just doing this one. Wait.
Hindi pagdulak na mo.
Yes.
Tingnan di ay. Kuha ka. Ano ko?
Hey. Territory appear map provide book. Anyways, I'm gonna create a I'm gonna go here menu,
By the way, guys,
social, join.
why don't you just leave the game and make another game?
I'm gonna make a pack. I'm gonna invite them.
Alexis?
Oh, he joined.
How many players just joined?
Right?
Humble.
Anyways.
Except.
Ha?
No thanks.
Nako?
By the way, guys, at 30 minutes of recording, we're gonna. I'm not gonna say it again, guys.
Anyways.
Oh, hell no.
This is actually a really good spot. Anyways, I'm gonna start to sleep
By the
in
way,
a couple
guys,
minutes.
we wanted to get.
Anyways, you know that people that are YouTubers and they are small content creators, just accept them for who they are. Oh my god.
Are they attacking you?
Oh my god. Stop attacking me, bro. Stop attacking me.
Put it
Stop
down
attacking me.
and attack.
Stop attacking me. Stop attacking me. Stop attacking me.
Don't get
Stop
revenge.
attacking me. Stop attacking me. Stop attacking me.
Bro, why don't you just do a revenge? Oh no, you're at half health.
Anyways, see, got him. Accept.
Bro, you declined, bro.
Huh? I accept.
No, you declined.
Bro. Sigma, help. See,
Guys, this guy is now in this.
you will die by my wrath.
Guys, this guy is so.
You will die.
What did you say?
Kill confirmed.
See, you declined it.
Accept. Oh my god, I'm badly hurt.
Sigma.
Hey, Sig. Hey. Anyways, I'm gonna eat to recover.
Is he attacking you?
No, he's my packmate. If he attacks me, I'm gonna eat him. Wow. Let me press G to pick up a mouse file.
Atisyo!
Ato lang dito eh.
Sana di ay? Tisyo! Ha? Tisyo! Ayaw kahit okay na. Ang ingon niya siyo man. Nasaktan siyo. Siyo yay. Oh.
Anyways, I'm gonna build bedding for me. Anyways, I'm done. Where is it? Aha. Let's build bedding. Let me put
You're
that.
wondering who's talking right now. Alexis family is talking.
They're talking. Anyways, this is kind of a very public.
Guys,
Oh, hey, bro.
comment
Hey.
671. One more time.
No.
Please, guys. We're gonna do a face reveal.
Okay, I'll do a face reveal on January 1. As long as you guys don't spam 67 in the chat.
By the way, guys, we got bad news. Our teacher is retiring at 2026.
In 2026.
Bad news, right?
I'm here making a den. If they steal my moss, I'm gonna eat them.
This guy is kinda. Hey.
Bro, thanks, bro.
What did you do?
He got me bedding. Thanks. Oh wait, this
Why
is a
don't you
friend.
just say thanks,
Ay, doon ka man,
boys?
be. Aw, 10 pesos.
I'm gonna say thanks, boys.
Thanks. Wow.
Mate, kaya nakalista man ko.
What is boring?
What?
Well, put X to be thanks. Put X.
Wala sa man akong t-shirt na kaya.
You're not really good at spelling. Check the comments. Look at the comments. Oh
Oh
my
my god,
god.
why is he hurting me? Why is he hurting me? Bro, I'm gonna eat you. I'm gonna eat you. I'm gonna eat you. See?
By the way, guys.
Humble, if you eat me, I'm gonna...
Oh my god, they are teaming up. If he defeats you, bruh.
I'm gonna shout hallelujah in the chat.
He's gonna shout like this, guys. Hallelujah. Guys,
Thanks, bro, I'm gonna go to Sigma.
guys, say 6-7 in the chat.
Anyways, goodbye guys. If you want more videos, tell me, and
Comment your username.
bye.
Bye, boys. Hey, boy.
Nathan, Axel, say bye.
Bye. And don't forget to comment your username.
And subscribe.
Bye.
And like. And
See you
hit
in
the notification bell. And see you in the next video.